Welcome to this beautiful mountain valley. Let's take a sweeping tour of this paradise. Behold the majestic mountains and vibrant gardens. A perfect harmony of nature.
Ever noticed how some AI-generated videos feel like they belong on the big screen, while others instantly scream for AI? The difference isn't sharper visuals or higher resolution, it's camera movement. Today, I'm going to show you some really simple prompts and editing techniques that can take AI slop and make it look incredible. Just take a look at how stunning these visuals are. With the right prompts, you can bring your ideas to life, create eye-catching content, and stand out instantly. No expensive tools required. Even better, everything you'll see can be done completely for free and without any watermark. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can start creating cinematic AI videos with confidence right away.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Step 1. Creating account. All you have to do is click the link in the description. It'll take you straight to the Grok website. From there, just sign up using your Gmail or any other email, and you're good to go. Step 2. Text to video. After signing in, you'll see an interface like this. To start generating videos, click on the Imagine option. This will open a new page where you can already explore creations made by other users. Now, let's create our first video using text with this AI tool. Before we begin, there's one important setting to change. Go to your account, click Settings, then open the Behavior tab. Here, turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. This stops the AI from creating videos on its own, since we want full control and will generate everything manually using our prompt. Now, simply type your prompt into the prompt box. For our first example, we'll use a dolly zoom camera movement. I've generated a detailed prompt for this using ChatGPT. You can pause the video and copy it to try it yourself. Next, click here and select the video option, then choose 16:9 for the aspect ratio. The remaining settings, like video resolution and duration, are already preset for free users. Finally, click the up arrow button to start the video generation process. As you can see, the AI has successfully generated a video using the dolly zoom camera movement exactly as described in our prompt, and the result looks fantastic. The depth shift and cinematic feel really stand out, making the scene look far more professional and immersive. Using this same approach, you can easily apply the dolly zoom camera movement to your own videos as well. Simply copy the prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and you'll be able to create stunning, cinematic visuals with ease. Now, let's move on to our next camera movement. In the prompt box, enter this prompt to create an extreme macro zoom of a human eye, staring unblinkingly straight into the camera. Once that's done, click the up arrow button to generate the video. And here's the result. Excellent! Take a closer look at how powerful and detailed the extreme macro zoom effect is, delivered exactly as described in our prompt. Now let's move on to our third camera movement, which is the slow tilt-up. In this we will show the camera rises vertically on a locked axis, framing boots first and finishing on the face. Now let's see what kind of result we got according to the prompt. Absolutely mind-blowing! Exactly as intended, the AI delivered a stunning result. A smooth, cinematic slow tilt-up shot that moves perfectly from the polished boots all the way up to the face. Step 3. Image to video. Now, let's generate a video using our own image. To do this, first click here, select Upload a file, and upload the image you want to use for this example. Next, enter this simple prompt in the description box, crane up, camera lifts high into the air. Then click the up arrow icon. The video will be generated in a few seconds. And here's the result. The result is striking, exactly as envisioned in the prompt. The camera cranes up, rising high into the air. To upgrade the video quality to HD, click on the 3 dots, then select Upscale. Within a short time, your video will be enhanced and converted to HD. Now let's move on to our 5th prompt. Crane down, camera descends slowly to the subject. Let's see the result. As you can see, the outcome perfectly matches our prompt. The camera smoothly descends toward the subject, and the effect is truly amazing. Next, we'll experiment with another camera movement, slow dolly in, where the camera gradually moves forward toward the subject, creating a smooth, immersive effect. Once you've entered the prompt, click the up arrow icon to generate the video. And here's the outcome. Notice how naturally the camera glides in, adding a professional, cinematic touch to the scene. Now, let's explore the slow dolly out camera movement. Enter this prompt, slow dolly out, camera moves slowly backward away from the subject. Let's see the output.
Welcome to this winter paradise. Let me introduce the stunning BMW i8. Its design is pure elegance and power, perfect for this snowy escape.
Once again, the output matches our prompt perfectly. The camera pulls back smoothly, giving the scene a polished, professional cinematic feel that really enhances the visual storytelling. Now, let's put the tilt down effect to the test. To do this, we'll input a straightforward and precise prompt, tilt down, camera pans vertically down from top to bottom. Now, let's check out the result. The execution is spot on, capturing the vertical descent with the kind of precision you'd expect from a seasoned cinematographer. It's incredibly satisfying to see a simple prompt translate into such a fluid, intentional movement. Now, let's experiment with the vertigo effect. Enter this prompt, vertigo effect, dolly zoom, camera moves backward while zooming in, background expands. Once generated, you'll see the camera move backward while simultaneously zooming in on the subject, creating that iconic, dramatic effect. You can easily incorporate this kind of effect into your own videos to give them a highly professional and visually striking look. Now, let's move on to the 10th and final camera movement, the 180 orbit. To create this effect, we'll enter a clear and precise prompt, 180 orbit. Camera orbits 180 degrees around the woman. Let's take a look at the result. The execution is absolutely flawless. The camera smoothly orbits 180 degrees around the woman, capturing her from multiple angles and giving the scene a dynamic, cinematic perspective that really brings it to life. I hope this guide gives you more control over your AI video creations and helps you achieve exactly the cinematic results you're aiming for. If you found this list useful, make sure to save it so you can refer back to it whenever you need. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Tell me, which camera movement do you find yourself using the most, and why? Can't wait to see your responses, and I'll see you in the next video. Finally, let me share one tip. If you set up 2 or 3 accounts using Gmail or any other email, you can unlock the ability to generate a large number of images and videos daily with Grok.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.